All right, so for today, I'm reviewing Rule 1 Shamrock Swirl. So this is it. Now, when I first saw Shamrock Swirl, I was super excited because it was like, oh, that must be Lucky Charms, because if you know, Rule 1 has lots of other lines that are like cereal derived. But we'll find out shortly that's not the case. Now, all my reviews I'm only going to do with water, because if it tastes good with water, it's going to taste amazing if you mix it with something like oat milk or almond milk. I mean, once you add the good stuff, like, it's good. But if it's good with water, it's going to be great with something else. So, without further ado, first things first, I mean, kind of smells like protein. Nothing too exciting. I mean, if you search for it, you can smell the mint, which, for anyone that doesn't know, the Shamrock is in reference to a mint milkshake that I guess like McDonald's has, or I don't know, something like that. Someone was telling me that, so cool story. Water, so it recommends 6 to 8 ounces. So 8 ounces is just what I'm gonna do as across the board, because why make it difficult? And also using a shaker cup. My preferred method, always the blender, because I feel like it always just makes it nice and smooth and make sure there are no clumps, but I feel like this is ultimately the test. If you can get it nice in a shaker cup, and if it's not all clumpy and gross in a shaker cup with water, you're gonna be golden when it comes to everything else. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of green in color. Now is when it actually smells like a thin mint, if I would say anything. And it's actually not bad. Is it something that I'd want to drink all the time? No. I feel like you can really taste like the artificial sweeteners in it, which, I mean, I get, like, they're to make it taste good, so I appreciate the fact that they're there, but it's just like too fake. I feel like this one is one that you enjoy a couple times, but like, you definitely don't want to get like the 5-pound container of this. So we just have the 2-pound, and yeah, it's not like one that I'm looking forward to daily, but it's definitely drinkable. So out of 5, I think I'd give it like a 3. Like, okay, like, I appreciate where you're going with it. And if I was someone that absolutely loved mint and chocolate, then I would love it, but not so much. And like, I like to mix coffee and things like that in my protein shakes, and I just don't see that going well with this. So that's that. Overall though, it has mixed well. There's no clumps going on. And with the water, it's pretty tasty. And as far as like the consistency of it, I'm just gonna pour some on a plate and I don't know. So, I mean, it's normal kind of gritty, but it's pretty thin. I just say that. It's pretty thin. But, okay. So, long story short, Rule 1, Shamrock Swirl. I don't know, I can't remember the name of it. Rule 1, Shamrock Swirl. It's tasty, even with water. I'd give it a 3 out of 5. Would I have it again? Yes. Would it be a staple that I'd want to keep in my cabinet? No. Cheers.